The Oasis is a full-featured, non-contact video inspection system that allows you to measure multiple dimensions on a part simultaneously and instantly. The dimensions show up in easy-to-read, familiar drawing format that's accurate to 2/10,000ths of an inch. The Oasis operates by casting a shadow of a part to be inspected and capturing that image in a digital format to be analyzed by the onboard computer. The powerful software behind the scenes converts the captured image into real dimensional data that measures the part to an accuracy of 2/10,000ths of an inch. To better understand the key components of the Oasis, we'll take the covers off and take a closer look inside. The process starts here with the engineered light source. It utilizes a specifically designed LED light that is collimated into precise rays through a series of diffusers and lenses that then shines across the part to be inspected. This is the inspection zone, where the part is placed for inspection. The engineered light beam passes across the part, creating a perfect profile for digital analysis. That profile is then seen by a very special telecentric optical lens, located here. The telecentric lens is of extremely high quality and ultra-low distortion. From the telecentric lens, the part profile is then digitally captured by the mounted camera system, and the digital image is then transferred to the integrated computer. From there, the Oasis software does the rest. The image is analyzed, edges located, and measurements displayed on the screen. It might sound like a lot of data crunching, but the Oasis does all this 10 times every second, making it nearly instant operation. When you measure a part for the first time, you start by placing the part in the inspection zone. You can see as you move the part around in the inspection zone that the images are being updated constantly. From here, we just need to tell the Oasis what dimensions we want to measure. We'll start with the diameter. Just select the diameter tool icon, then drag and drop the selection over the area that you want to measure. As we drag the selection over the area, the measurement is displayed immediately. If we want, we can drag the measurement on the screen, just like dimensioning a drawing. In the upper right section of the screen is the measurement display panel. It will show all the measurements that we've programmed for the part, including the actual measurement as well as tolerance information. The display panel is color-coded for a quick visual check of whether or not a part is within specification. It's showing red right now because we need to set the tolerances for the dimension. Setting tolerances is as easy as right-clicking on the dimension and selecting tolerances. From here you can set the nominal dimensions, the tolerances, and also a warning level. The warning level can be used to indicate when you're getting close to the tolerance, while the tolerance is the actual pass-fail limits. The display panel now shows both the measured data as well as the tolerance limits that you have set. From here you can add as many dimensions as you need to check the part. The height tool measures the distance from the pedestal edge. A corner tool can be used to locate the corner of two edges. Like all dimensions, you can set advanced features for the tool by selecting properties. Here we'll enable the corner tool radius function to show the corner radius dimension. The edge tool is used to locate either a horizontal or a vertical edge. Once located, the edge can be used as a surface for dimensioning. Here we'll locate two edges and then use the distance tool to add the dimension from one edge to the other. Another useful feature of the edge tool is the ability to track an edge regardless of the position of the part in the inspection zone. First we'll locate an edge and then set it to track. Now that edge will be tracked as the part moves around in the inspection zone, and all of the dimensions will automatically be moved to follow the part. This allows for parts to be dropped into the inspection zone and measured without concern for exact part positioning. With the part fully programmed for inspection, we can save the program in the Oasis for future use. Click File, Save, and enter a name for the part program. You only have to program a part once, and then you will be able to retrieve that program in the future to inspect the part again. To measure a part that's been already programmed in the Oasis, you start by placing the part in the inspection zone. However, this time you can have the Oasis automatically search for a part program that matches. At this point, you can measure the parts in rapid succession. Just drop a part in the inspection zone and get all measurements simultaneously. The display panel quickly shows if the part is in spec. then drop in another part for inspection. The last part here is intentionally out of spec to demonstrate the display of a failed part. You've seen how the Oasis can quickly and accurately measure multiple parts, but what if you have a QC department that requires you to maintain records of the dimensions you've taken? All of the dimensions taken by the Oasis are saved on board in a text file. You can use that text file in your own SPC program, or you can use the built-in Microsoft Excel reporting function. For added flexibility, the Oasis can operate in the horizontal position as you've seen, or it can be rotated up and run vertically. In the vertical position, inside diameters of parts can be easily measured, and it's especially useful for measuring washer-shaped parts. From this position, the inside and outside diameters of this part are easily measured. As you can see, the Oasis is a top quality video inspection system that's going to add to your bottom line by reducing the amount of time spent in quality control and increasing the number of good parts you're going to be able to produce by inspecting them with the Oasis.